And moving on, the Amir of State of Qatar, Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, arrived in Kathmandu for a two-day state visit on Tuesday at the friendly invitation of President of Nepal, Ramchandra Paudel. This is his first ever visit to the South Asian country after visiting Bangladesh and the Philippines. Upon arrival, the Amir of Qatar received Guard of Honor. During the bilateral meeting, diplomatic relations, including boosting investment in Nepal, climate change, were discussed on Tuesday. Issue of the release of Nepalese student Bipin Joshi, who went missing after the attack of Hamas in Israel, was also discussed. During the meeting, the Amir of Qatar, Al Thani, appreciated Nepali workers in Qatar who have contributed to Qatar's development, while Nepal praised Qatar's effort in peace building in the Middle East. And for more, we have our correspondent Shweta Singh joining us from Nepal. Well, Shweta, this is Amir's first ever visit to the South Asian country. What significant agreements or collaborations are expected from this visit?
Nipakshi, see, this is the first visit of Emir of Qatar, and it was given so much importance that Nepal declared public holiday. So yesterday, entire Nepal was celebrating public holiday in honor of diplomatic relationship what Nepal and Qatar shares. You see, Nepal maximum neighbors, large amount of neighbors are in Qatar. So it's natural for Nepal to have very cordial and huge collaboration, not only in the labor sector, but other sector also, so that maximum benefit comes out of Qatar. And Qatar being one of the richest country in the world with highest GDP, you see the remittance coming from Qatar is huge in Nepal. Actually, I would say like 5 of family, 1 will at least be in Qatar. It's like that. So there are a lot of Nepali laborers in Qatar, and even Qatar economy depends on these labor class people of Nepal who are residing in Qatar. So, see, earlier, though their relationship is very long from 1977, they have diplomatic relationship. In 2011, even Qatar started having their embassy in Nepal. So, here the collaboration is on investment in tourism sector, agriculture, water resource. In fact, I would inform my audiences that from the Sunday, there is Nepal Investment Summit that's going to happen in Kathmandu, and Nepal is vying global investment, more from its neighbor India and China, and rich economy. So that way, visit of Qatar Emir in Nepal is even giving, asking to the world that come and invest in Nepal.
Right.
Because when Emir is here today, Nepal is asking for more investment from Qatar, and already there are few investment from Qatar here, but basically it is remittance that's coming from Qatar to Nepal.
All right. As you told us, Shweta, that a public holiday was declared yesterday, that is the importance given to the visit. How do you think this visit will impact the bilateral relations between Qatar and Nepal?
I would say because see, this being huge, first time a monarch from Middle East visiting Nepal. And as I informed that now there are a lot of Nepali laborers that is serving in Nepal, and after tourism, remittance is another source of earning for Nepal, another biggest source of earning. So this collaboration on agriculture, water resource and tourism that is to be signed today, you see, this is going to definitely enhance more of their support system, because it is Nepal is more on the taking side from Qatar. Though yes, because Nepali laborers are there and they are contributing in Qatar's development, it is a win-win for both the parties. The collaboration today, there will be a lot of signing of MOUs, and there is a RSS, Rashtriya Samachar Samiti, that will be signing MOU with QNA of Qatar, national agency, news agency. So, for pre-exchange of news, Qatar and Nepal is going to sign MOU today, and along with other agreements that more is going to come out after they sign at 10 a.m. today. So, I hope so. This collaboration, as Nepal expects, is going to drive its economy for greater development.
Right. Thank you so much, Shweta, for giving us that information from Nepal.